Okay, today, video 1 in the making Give It Away series. I'm going to be making these two pens. They are Wood-Lathe. I'm going to show turning them, polishing them, assembling them, all of the steps. I'm going to have 3 versions of this video. One is a talk about it, fast forward through everything else. One is a Duresta style, just fast forward, just zoom, boom, here we go. Third one is going to be a long format where I really go into some more detail. Alright, this version will be the long format. If you want to really watch me cut it, really listen to me make decisions, sharpen my tool when I sharpen my tools and everything else, stick around for this video. Warning, it will be longer. Oh man, those turned out just amazing and beautiful. So those are prizes 1 and 2 for the giveaway, and then I just grabbed 3 and 4 for the giveaway. They're for the wood turner here and for the person that just wants a really fancy pen there. Alright, the first thing you do is square off the ends using a mill barrel trimmer, or you can use a sander if you have a little jig. Alright, now we're going to turn it. We're going to use the big scary skew and we're going to crank it up. 2000. So a trick with Wood-Lathe is speed and sharp tools so it doesn't chip. Alright, so guess what we're going for here are the Philadelphia Eagles, because today's the Super Bowl, and Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day is awesome. Alright, I just sharpened my skew, and I'm kind of getting down close to the bushings, especially right here. Sometimes I do kind of a diagonal down on them and make the clicker end a little bit thicker, but I think this time I'm going to just pull them right down really close, so maybe we can get some see-through effect. Oh, I need to get my air compressor out. It'll just take this stuff off quicker than quick, but I don't want to. I'll just keep fighting it. Alright, so those are like seriously smooth. I can start at like 400 if I even need sandpaper. Alright, 500, 600 is where we started. Da-da-da! Awesome! Okay, now we're going to just take them off the mandrel. They should just come right off. And I just polished these. I didn't even put any CA glue on them or anything else, because they're the Alumilite clear polishes up pretty good. Okay, now see, seriously, was just totally awesome. Wow, right on. Okay, you get your kit. You open it up, and you first assemble the whole mechanism, which is the spring on the tip, this tip in the tip, and the dip in the stip, flip, flip, yip, yip. And then you get the clip, and you decide how you want to orient it. So now I've got some really cool grain right there that I want to keep. And I think I just want to basically go on like that. And I have a little vise in the other room that I'll press it in with. You can use a hand clamp too if you want. Awesome. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4 prizes. These 2 are done, prizes 1 and 2, and these 2 are kits where a wood turner can make a similar pen by themselves. It's a Sierra or Wall Street 2 pen, and these turned out just beautiful. So hashtag turning around giveaway. Comment that same thing, hashtag turning around giveaway on this video. Share, like, subscribe, give it to your friends, tell your dog. Thanks for watching.